Does your phone heat up? Battery melts fast? Apps freeze? And internet suddenly becomes slower than a turtle on vacation? Relax, your phone isn't dying. You just haven't turned on these secret settings yet. Hey everyone, welcome back to RK Tech. Today, I'll show you 5 hidden settings that fix the most common mobile problems, whether you use Android or iPhone. Let's make your phone feel brand new again. 1. Stop apps eating your battery. First, battery drain. Open Settings, Battery, Background Activity or App Refresh. Turn off background access for apps you don't use all the time. Boom! Longer battery life instantly. Trust me, your battery will be smiling after this one. 2. Auto boost your phone speed. Next, automatic memory cleaning. On Android, Settings, Battery and Device Care, Auto Optimization, turn it on. On iPhone, Settings, General, Background App Refresh, Wi-Fi only. This keeps your phone fast every single day without you doing anything. Easy. 3. Fix slow Wi-Fi and data. Slow Wi-Fi, weak data. Here's a powerful reset. Settings, Reset, Reset Network Settings. This doesn't delete your photos or files. It only refreshes your network memory. And trust me, your internet wakes up like it had strong coffee. 4. Fix screen flickering or auto brightness bugs. Is your screen flickering or brightness jumping up and down? Simple fix. Settings, Display, turn off adaptive or auto brightness. Sometimes even smartphones need a simple manual slap. 5. Clean hidden junk files. Final one, storage cleaning. Android, Settings, Storage, Clean, Remove junk. iPhone, Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Offload apps. All those hidden junk files? Gone. Phone feels smooth again. Try these settings right now and see the magic yourself. Your phone will feel brand new without spending a single rupee. Hit like, subscribe to RK Tech, and I'll see you in the next Tech Fix video. Take care.